French President Emmanuel Macron and South Korean President Lee Jae-myung agreed on Friday to work together to help reopen the Strait of Hormuz and ease global economic uncertainties caused by the Iran war.
Nous avons abordé la crise au Moyen-Orient, les conditions d'un processus de désescalade et les conditions dans un cadre international clairement établi, une déconfliction étant négociée avec l'Iran, d'une réouverture du détroit d'Ormuz.
The two leaders did not elaborate on how they would help reopen the strait, the narrow waterway through which about 1/5 of the world's oil passes. Macron has said reopening the Strait of Hormuz through a military operation was unrealistic. Meanwhile, Iran warned the UN Security Council against any provocative action ahead of a scheduled vote on a draft resolution on the Strait of Hormuz that ended up being postponed.